Let's go to Learn Editing.
I'm AFAQ, building AI-powered systems that automate YouTube so creators can focus on what matters, great content. What if AI could handle your entire YouTube workflow? I'm building it right now. AI can now cut, color, and caption your video in seconds. This is the future of editing.
Let's go to
Follow for
Learn
more
Editing.
AI editing tips. One loot, one slider, one slider. Your footage goes from flat to cinematic instantly. This script, edit, thumbnail, caption, all automated with AI. Go to building this system and select ease out. Try it now. Manual editing is dying. AI tools now do 80% of the boring work for you. Why AI-assisted editing saves creators hours every week. Add this one animated text effect, and your video instantly looks premium. Simple motion graphics trick anyone can use. Cutting too slow kills your retention. Speed up your pacing like this. Eddie DeLontin hots your patient. One loot, one slider, one slider. Your footage goes from flat to cinematic instantly. You feed AI an idea. You feed AI and it gives you a full script structure in seconds. Game changer. This one CapCut trick makes your transitions look 10x more professional. Go to Graphs and select Ease Out. Try it now. This script, edit, thumbnail, caption, all automated with AI. Go to Graphs. I'm building this system live. Try it now. AI helps me plan content, design thumbnails, and grow my brand daily. Cutting too slow kills your retention. Speed up your pacing like this. Shorten your clips and remove all the dead air. Watch your watch time soar.